Back into the attack after being a little expensive. Takes on. It requires a lot of chase and a lot of effort to be put in, but all the effort will give. With and flies. And it's taken off. The flight has taken off. Flight name RAJEH. Slams it. Beautiful. It's like. And takes on again. And six. Elegant. And it's skied up in air. And 50 comes up, half century for Rajesh with his bounce. Takes on. Takes on again. No fielders placed there. His belt. Takes on again. It's got to the other ground. Bring the new balls. Where's the groundsman? Call the groundsman. Let the play not stop. He's taken it away again. One bounce four. Skied up. Fielder running in. Settling under the ball. He settles well. And masterclass innings. Appeals for out and he's been given straight. Wanted to try something innovative, but looked up, skied in air, and he takes it. He takes a blinder. It's a blind. And this is what we are talking about. Cries of catches. And it's delivered for six. It's taken it away. And again, it's one bounce and four. Pulled across. The fielder fails to stop the ball. Played it well. The fielders in and he collects it. The shot was. And he's been given out straight. Beautiful. Beautiful. No, no, no. Cries of catches. Fielder settling in and he takes it comfortably. Beautiful. He's taken 5 wickets for his team. He set him up. Takes on and straight to the fielder. Then tries to take on and throws away his wicket. And he's taken the sky road. Will he get it? Yes, he'll get the maximum distance. Steaming in and the shots played well. Just couple of bounces and gone straight. Again, ball well. It's skied up. One past the fielder. Will he be able to chase it? Brilliant effort. Brilliant effort. In the end, the ball reaches the boundary. Takes on. Nobody needs to run. One bounce for four for his team. Takes on, finds the edge. And it's going down the third man. Nobody's there to collect the ball. He's out of his crease and he's been stumped. Cuts. And the ball's gone between the gap. Finds the top edge. Fielder settles underneath the ball. Appeal for out and he's been given out. The batsman is in disarray. Appeal for out and is neglected. With his boundary completes 50. 50 comes up for Yashwant. The clear footwork is the and displayed it for displayed. The fielder is converging in and he takes it comfortably. Shoaib. Shrikhar's innings comes to an end. He takes on and finds the gap finally. He takes on a huge hit from his bat. He whacks. Nobody's in there. He's very straight. He's played it. Fielder coming in. And 4. A boundary.
Ready.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Here we are present for the post-match presentation ceremony of match number 13, played between Hell Rockers versus R11, where I'll take you through the quick summary of the match, what happened, where R11 won the toss and elected to bat first, scoring 153 runs, being all out with the target imposed to chase for Hell Rockers is 154, where they comfortably, I'd not say comfortably, the ride was like a roller coaster, where everyone's heart was in the mouth, taking us through the roller coaster. If you have witnessed it in the ground or from the live streaming on the YouTube. So here it is. I'd like to first thank our sponsors who sponsored us: Hell Rockers, Foursquare Sports, R11, RR Stones, MSR Tipper Services. And I'd like to firstly call upon the losing captain of R11, representing today would be Rajesh. Firstly, hard luck. Your winning streak has been broken today. 2 matches until you've played and you've won previously, and this match you've lost. Hard luck. Brilliantly played game today. Unfortunate you couldn't be on the other side of the game.
Yes, today is a very bad day for us. Like Hell Rockers is a very good team and they have performed well in the present situation. We are happy that we performed well. But there are some places where we have to improve ourselves and perform well in the next match.
You couldn't say that this match was completely one-sided because everything went up and down with the slackness having it in the match. And importantly, where do you think the grey area is? Adding to that question, Arvind was bowling magnificently well, having 3 overs bowled and 20 runs conceded with 2 wickets. He had 1 over left. Any views on that on 4th over, because he was bowling well in the last over, going on to someone with?
We have lost a plot early in the power play, and we got our game back when Shoaib and Anji and spinners are bowling. So Shoaib is basically a strike bowler, so it is Shoaib always in the end. Even if we are playing next match, we'll go with Shoaib for the last over rather than a spinner, because Sridhar is very good at hitting spinners. So we thought Shoaib is a very good bowler who bowls cutters and faster ones at the same time.
Anything you'd like to improvise from this game or the upcoming games?
Batting, slightly, some bowling part as well. We need to score more runs in the depth.
Definitely, we'll look forward for more knocks from you. You've played a brilliant hand for your team as usual as an opener. Your team can rely on you. Thank you. And I'd like to call upon the man of the match for today from Hell Rockers, who's bowled absolutely, who's made the batsman look helpless and clueless. His name is Harish, who's done the job for his team.